welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase the EverRise token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you guys need to do in order to purchase this token inside of your Trust Wallet. I'd just like to let you guys know as well that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel showing you guys how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in that, I would really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content coming out into the future. Anyhow, just stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how to purchase the EverRise token. So first things first, we're going to head over to Trust Wallet and open that up. Now, I'm already going to assume that you already know how to create your wallet and how to get BNB into your wallets. So if you guys don't know how to purchase BNB and send it over to your wallets or how to create your Trust Wallet, I will have links for videos showing you guys how to do both of those things in the description and in the comment section down below. So just be aware of that. So now all we have to do is add the contract address into Trust Wallet for EverRise token. And to do that, I'll have a link over to the BSC scan website for us to gather the contract address and then paste it into our Trust Wallet. So if you guys just head over to the link on BSC scan that I have provided in the description and comment section, you guys can just scroll down and you want to copy this contract address right here. Once you guys copy this contract address, we can head back into our Trust Wallet. And then we want to go to the top right of our screen where we see the two lines and the two circles. Click on that and we can go ahead and paste this contract address right up in the top search bar right here. So if we just paste that there, we can then enable the EverRise token and then click on done. Once we have the EverRise token inside of our Trust Wallet, we can now navigate over to PancakeSwap. And I will have a link over to PancakeSwap inside of the description and in the comment section down below so you guys can access PancakeSwap. All you guys have to do is click on that link for PancakeSwap and then we can head over to PancakeSwap. Now, I'd also like to let you guys know as well, you can add PancakeSwap to your home screen now. And to do that, you just want to click on this little share button, scroll down and click on add to home screen. And you will see PancakeSwap right here. And you can just add to your home screen by clicking on add in the top right corner. It's a lot easier to use PancakeSwap this way. It works a lot better. Anyhow, all you guys have to do once you're on PancakeSwap right here, whether you're in the browser or in the app, you're going to see this exact same page right here. All you have to do is click on the three lines and then click on trade and then exchange. Once you guys are inside of the exchange right here, first thing that you guys have to do is click on connect. Now, you do not want to click on Trust Wallet here. You want to click on Wallet Connect. Once you click on Wallet Connect, it's going to ask you your preferred wallet. This is where you would choose Trust Wallet. And then you're going to see this little connection thing pop up here asking you to confirm connection. So you just want to click on connect. And then right here at the bottom, it'll tell you to go back to your browser. So we just go back to PancakeSwap. And then our wallet will be connected. You'll know it's connected when you see your wallet address up in the top right corner, and you'll see your balance of your BNB that you have in your Smart Chain wallet. If you guys do not see your balance here, just make sure your BNB is in your Smart Chain wallet. Anyhow, what we have to do now is click on select a currency, and we can paste that exact same address that we got for EverRise from BSC scan right in this top address section. Once you guys have it pasted, we can just click on import, and then I understand and import. Once we have the EverRise token in here, we do have to change the slippage tolerance to 13% for this token. And to change your slippage tolerance, you just have to go to beside where it says exchange, click on the three lines, and then change this to 13%. Once you guys change this to 13%, we can click on X on the settings, and we just have to decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the EverRise token. So let's just say, for example, we want to transfer 0.2 BNB. I could type that in here, and it'll show me how much EverRise token I'll get in exchange for my BNB. Now, if you guys are okay with the number that you guys see here, you can just click on insufficient BNB balance at the bottom where it says that for me. It should just tell you to confirm or swap right here. And then it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, just showing you your fees and your rates and things like that. Now, if you guys are okay on that second screen, you can just click on confirm again, and then you will see that withdrawal and confirmation notice that your withdrawal did go through. And once you guys have that done, we can just exit out of here and go back into our Trust Wallet, and our EverRise token will appear in our Trust Wallet usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase the EverRise token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.